folks, if you want to learn more about a career in welding, then we have a great opportunity for you! The California Welding Institute is holding an Introduction to Welding workshop tomorrow from 8 a.m. to 4:30! It's taking place in Lake Elsinore, so not too far away. But it's not too late to get signed up. You know it is late. My hand. It's late to the party. Do you know why? It's because I made a mistake. I was welding, distracted, and it cut it clean off. So don't make a mistake and get registered right now at SoCalWelding.com to reserve your spot today. Now, back to you, Gavin.